Hello friends, hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss some new things in Sunflowerland that are going to happen very soon. You can see that we are now in Goblin Village, but before that we just go back to our own land. You can see there is one tag or one NFT, you can say, that is for war item. Hope all of you already have seen that there is some war is coming. It is been written Goblin War, and you have to choose one side. You will choose either Goblin or you will choose Sunflower Land for your Sunflower Warrior. So I have chosen that Sunflower side, and from 5th of September it will be coming to your place and you can participate. How you can participate? A pop-up will automatically show inside the game that walks you through the basics of war, and then you will need to pick a side. There is no deadline of to choose a side. And another thing you have to keep in your mind, once you choose a side you cannot change. So before you choose a side, I am going to show you that how many people have chosen Sunflower banner or Goblin banner. This is human banner, or you may say Sunflower. 10k owners already have chosen this. Now I'm going to show you that Goblin War banner means whoever has supported Goblin side, that is already 6k owners. So human owners or human side supporters are 4k more than Goblin side supporter right now, but I guess all of the players have not synced on chain till now. So when they will sync, we can see the total number in future, and I guess all of the players have not chosen their side yet. So we will come to know later. And what the war will be like. Weekly challenge. Each week the tides of war will change and both sides will need to collect a variety of resources. Your challenge is to collect resources in the specified time frame and donate them to war collectors. These resources will range from crops, wood, stone, eggs, tool, cakes, and special resources. Ward bonds. In exchange for your resources, you will be given ward bonds. Depending on difficulty of the challenge, you will receive a certain amount of ward bonds. Definitely, it will give you some incentive or some profit, whatever in terms of they will provide. You can compete a challenge multiple times in a week. This means loyal warrior will receive more war bonds than average players. War bonds can be exchanged for rare items at Goblin Village. You can go to Goblin Village and you can exchange that war token or war bonds. The player with the most war bonds will get access to limited items. Don't miss out. How to redeem war tokens? For a limited time, war tent will appear in Goblin Village. You will visit the war tent to purchase a range of limited items. Each item has a limited supply. Once they are sold out, you will no longer be available until the players who have got this is, if he listed on OpenSea, then you will be able to buy it or collect it, whatever it may be. What items will be available? There will be 8 items, 8 limited edition items available during the Goblin War with varying rarity. These items will remain hidden until the start of the Goblin War. 4 of these items will provide in-game boost. The remaining 4 will be: first, Bumpkin NFT wearable item. This will be limited edition and supply between 250 to 1000. The nature of special event, limited supply, and being the first Bumpkin rare clothing will surely make this historic item in Sunflowerland. There, then weekly leaderboard is also there, so you can read out those. And can I withdraw ward items? During the war, you cannot withdraw ward bonds items or your team's banner. Once the war is finished, all of these items will become withdrawable and tradable on secondary market. So during war, you cannot exchange it, sell it, or do anything with it. So you have to participate in the war and you try to win the war. What the format they are coming with, we have to accustom to it and we will play along. Now I'm going to show you some Twitch leaks. Well, this is Bumpkin Land. This is Bumpkin, the new thing. Well, I'm going to show you that what is the new thing they are bringing. There will be some Bumpkin shirts. Look, you can see there are Bumpkin shirt. You can wear them, means you have to first collect it, then you can equip it. Sunflower collection, you have to pay some price for it, and for that reason you have to collect your sunflower items and sunflowers, I guess. You can see these bumpkins are not yet out, so this is a leak. You can go through this Twitch session and you will come to know lots of things they have discussed. And after that you can see a new land expansion is coming. You can see this is a beautiful place where you can farm your sunflower or some other plants or crops. Then you can do fishing. Lots of things are coming, so be prepared for that. And before that, I'm going to show you. Yeah, here it is. You can see, look, this is what tent. This is what tent in behind of the screen. There it will be available during the war session. So when you will go to Goblin Village, you can click that. Then you can find out there are lots of rewards or lots of items to be minted, and those will be eventually helpful for your gameplay. As they have already said, there will be 8 rare items, 4 for gameplay boosting and 4 for ward boosting, and there are 2 question mark already, so they are planning what the next thing they are coming with. So we will be waiting eagerly for that and hope that you get to know some interesting thing, and lots of things are coming on our way. So don't leave this game. I know the price of sunflower has been dropped quite a lot, but don't worry, when the war and the land expansion will come, it will increase again. We stick with this game and stick with this channel. If you like my video, don't leave me without a comment. Just give me a thumbs up and give me a comment, and of course do subscribe and share among with your friends. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.